insightful and helpful with many great insights into the history of Florianopolis. Isaac was able to answer all of our questions and is extremely passionate about explaining the history of the city to others. Highly recommend this as a great overview and introduction to the city. Isaac spoke to us in both Spanish and English, since my husband is from the United States and I'm Chilean. It was one of the best experiences of our honeymoon. We appreciated his dedication and attention to detail. Truly unmissable. Also, downtown Florianopolis is beautiful and perfect for exploring on foot afterward. Very safe and peaceful. Excellent experience, very good Spanish, a dedicated guide who adapts the tour to your needs, very friendly, and the information is very complete with historical facts and gossip. Isaac's tour will allow you to get to know the historic center of Florianopolis better and understand how the island came to be today. Isaac was great, excellent tour guide, we love it and we have a blast, was a great tour. Thank you and looking forward to explore more Floripa with Isaac. I have been on many fantastic guided tours all over the world, including places such as Rome, Florence, Barcelona, etc. Isaac provided an experience that was better than all of them. Isaac's communication skills, love of history, and excitement about sharing his knowledge made my girlfriends and my experience on the island of magic unforgettable. I recommend everyone take this private tour where Isaac will make your trip the best you've had yet. A tour that includes history, a visit to the market, churches, and monuments to give you an idea of what Florianopolis was and what it is today. It's so much more than just beaches. A very good tour, clear and concise, offering valuable insights into the city's history. Isaac was an excellent guide, and his recommendations were very helpful.